Today we're at Clifty Falls State Park. It's certainly a rainy day here in Indiana, but I'm excited to see the falls, and then we're gonna check out the tunnel, all with these beautiful fall colors behind it. I've not been to this park before, and a lot of people say it's a place that you have to check out. So we're gonna see as much as we can before more rain comes. We got our first view of Clifty Falls, and now we're headed down to get a closer look. We are gonna head to Big Clifty Falls first, and then Little Clifty Falls. Our goal today is to stay on our feet, with everything being just a little extra slippery with the rain. So let's hope we can keep that in mind. I was hoping we could get just a little closer, but there's no way you can be disappointed with this view. Courtney's grabbing her shot. Her channel is Escape the Wanted. If you haven't seen her videos yet, you definitely need to check them out. Headed over now to check out Little Clifty Falls. Courtney doesn't have any sounds in her videos. She just has like natural sounds and walking. So anytime I make a noise, like I laugh or I slip or any of that stuff, she has to refilm her spot. So I do feel horrible, but it's also hilarious because I slipped. So what do you do? It's cake rock. Cake, it is cake. Chocolate cake? No, not funny. Wow. What? Zipped up my phone. I think we're ready. What could go wrong? It's super slippery. It's really steep. It's fine. It's fine. It's as steep as it looks. so pretty. One of the things that's really nice about the rain is that we certainly get some great waterfalls. Little Clifty Falls is a bit of a walk. You can carry... What happened? An acorn fell. Everyone is fine. It's probably 0.2 to get to Little Clifty Falls. It's nice that everything is plain, especially on a wet day like today. The trail would be pure mud. We are gonna head over to Tunnel Falls and the tunnel and check that out. We both brought our headlamps, so it should be pretty good. I stopped to take my rain jacket off, but we have to go. The acorns keep falling from this oak tree. It's not something we're gonna wanna get hit by. So we have to make our way across this safely and back to the car. This will give you an idea of how steep it is. You can just barely see Clifty Falls in the distance. We're sitting at 100% humidity and my glasses keep fogging up. We're gonna go check out the tunnel. Made it to the start of the tunnel trail. I'm just gonna head down these stairs. There should be Tunnel Falls and then the tunnel to the left. I can't tell which is scarier, the slippery wood or the very jagged wet rocks. Oh goodness. Wow. It's really unique and pretty how it is a cliff. I know it's Clifty Falls State Park, but if you're here, you have to check out Tunnel Falls. This is such a pretty trail. Doesn't matter one bit that it's rainy or foggy. This is awesome. Next time on Laura on the Moon. How big of a tunnel did you think we're gonna have? We're going in there. Whoa. Oh, there's a frog. There's frogs everywhere. Sorry, guys. What? I see daylight. I think we... Oh, there is a bat. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. It'll help me bring you along on my next adventure.